Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access to the Epic account email because that's where recovery links and confirmations go. Once done, open your phone and decide whether you'll use SMS or an Authenticator app. Next, log into Epic Games. Com and navigate to Account, then Password and Security to reach the two-factor authentication section. You do this now to avoid delays later. Making these checks first prevents getting locked out mid-process and lets you follow the next steps immediately. Once at two-factor authentication, choose SMS or Authenticator because each has trade-offs. SMS is simple, but app-based codes are more secure. If you pick an Authenticator app, scan the QR code or type the manual key into Google Authenticator or Authy. The app will then show a 6-digit code. If you chose SMS, enter your phone number and wait for a text. Make sure to immediately enter the 6-digit code shown so Epic can verify the link between your device and account. To finish, save any backup codes Epic provides and consider enabling both SMS and an Authenticator for redundancy. This ensures you can access Fortnite if one method fails. If your code is rejected, sync your phone clock to network time, request a new code, or use previously saved backup codes. These steps fix the most common failures. Finally, secure your email and update recovery options so you can reset 2FA quickly in the future. Doing that prevents prolonged lockouts and keeps your account safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.